This video elaborates on how you can restore a deleted file from your Windows 11 machine. Let's get started. Hello, my name is Edmond Sarkodie. This video I'll show you how you can restore a deleted file from your Windows 11 operating system. So to start, Windows 11 gives an option when you delete a file, restore it from Techped. To restore a deleted file from your Windows 11 machine, go to Recycle bin on the desktop, pin it, then locate the file that you deleted, then you want to restore. Click on it, then you click on restore to restore the deleted file from your operating system. Thank you. Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and tap the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video.